So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday, the 7th of December. Now, let's just have a look what happened in prices and where they might likely go. So we did have a gap up in the market. It's a pretty sizable gap. With the gap up into resistance, this level marked out here in red. It's a strong level. All levels marked out horizontally in red are strong levels that I am looking at. Blue levels marked out in blue. These are weekly pivots. They're not as important as the levels marked out in red, but they do hold some significance. So we've gapped up into this resistance. We did trade all the way up to this minor level in around 33.04. We've seen a rejection from there. Instead, we've come back down to below this 1277. We've come down towards that 1252, broken below that. We've retested that 1277, and we have seen a rejection. Now, just bear with me a second here while I clean this chart up. So we've got our highs up here. We've posted a lower high. We've seen a sell-off. Now we were targeting that 1215. As you can see, we've come down to 1250. We have oscillated around 1215. Not quite tested the 200 period moving average, acting as a further confluence and a possible area where we might use it as a dynamic level for support for a bounce to the upside. So we're in a bit of consolidation at present after 1215. So if you do see more upside momentum, we'll see our price react towards at 1252. Successful break from 1252, but seeing our price react as 1277. We do have our previous highs in around here. We did see rejection from that 1277 previously, especially on this news related candle. This bit of a schism there. We have seen selling from the 1277 level. So above 1252, we're looking to target 1277, beyond which we're looking for 1304. Above 1304, where could we possibly find the next level? Is the next level that we're looking at beyond 1304 is around at 1356. I would expect 1356 to possibly be the far end of the range. I don't imagine 114 will come into focus unless we do have a strong enough fundamental catalyst in regards to US dollar Japanese yen. Now, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, we have to be aware of the 200 period moving average just below us, as well as the weekly level in around 1215. If we do successfully navigate these two obstacles, the 200 period moving average as well as this weekly level of 1215, we'll be looking for price to head down towards that 1160. A break from 1160, we'll be looking to see our price react towards that 111, and a break from there, we're looking to see our price react at 1073. And we'd expect where we are at present, we'd expect 111 to be the far end of the range. May not come into focus, but we expect 111 to be the far end of the range where we might see a possible bounce in the market and a move to the upside. And with that said, let's just have a look at the daily time frame before wrapping up here. So we just remove the pen, we select the day, get the scale on here correct. And as we can see here on this chart, we've had sell side momentum coming off this 114. We've had 114.30, but more recently, yes, 114.30, but we have come down to 111. We've had a strong move to the upside. We have seen rejection as well at 1277. We have seen a bit of a breakdown. We found support. It does appear that we found support, so possibly we have a bull flag form here, a break to the upside, possible move towards that 1356 to the upside. And with that said, that should, yes, we've mentioned all the previous levels as well. So there currently isn't anything of note here on this daily chart. We have seen a strong move more recently. We do appear to be having a pullback in the market. We do look poised for continuation, however, to the upside. And with that said, that's the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.